Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning. If you want to improve yourself in English language, then I think proper environment is necessary. I am living in a village and you know that a village environment is very pleasant, beautiful environment. You can hear the voices of birds chirping and there are some silent places, sometimes the voices of streams, but these are very calming things. But when you are in a rush place, when you are in a city, there is rush of vehicles, noises, noise pollutions, then there your mind does not work. But in village area, your mind works properly. So I think that peaceful environment is necessary to work on any topic. For learning English language also peaceful environment is necessary. When you are in a peaceful atmosphere, peaceful environment, then your mind will work and you will learn, you will memorize a lot of things. Otherwise when you are in rush place where there you are not feeling ease, then your mind will not work and you will not learn or improve yourself in English language. So I think that such a place where there no noise is, nobody is available who can disturb you while you are doing your hard work, and when you will in a rush place you will try to learn things, then your mind will disturb and your attention will be diverted towards some other things. In this way you are not able to improve yourself in English language. So I think that calm and peaceful environment is very necessary for a person who is willing to improve his English language. And if you are interested, then I think that spare some times in a day to go far from your house where there nobody is available, the silent atmosphere, silent environment, and give your precious time to learn English language there. In this way you will improve yourself in very soon way. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then allow me, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.